at times of chaos and stress and, in Deming's language, crisis, we need to understand that the system within which we work and the interactions within that system. That will help us to avoid unintended consequences. And so an obvious current example would be if states go ahead, or countries go ahead and end social distancing in pursuit of economic benefit, that will have consequences because it's part of a wider system of interactions. And this helps us, I think, this kind of approach, quality improvement approach, helps us to understand that if we try to fix problems without understanding the system that caused them, then there's a likelihood that things will get worse rather than better. And we also know that our current system is causing variation. The impact of COVID-19 is not equitable or just across our system, and understanding that variation, I think, is going to help us to respond to it. And finally, this idea of human behavior and the psychology of change is likely to be really important. Won't our response be enhanced if we understand how people are thinking in this crisis, how they react to change, how are they going to find motivation, and how are we going to create a sense of agency that gives people both the courage to act, the emotional resources that they need to choose to act, and the power that they need to have effect, the ability that they can find to act with purpose. And so that's why I think quality improvement remains vital in these times